Hello friends, this is Shazad and you're watching Shazad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix green screen issue on iPhone 14 and iPhone 13 series after to the latest iOS version. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video guys. There are many reports across social media platforms like X and Reddit that the iPhone 14 series has many problems with the display. Some issues are more severe than other on some units. A green line goes along the display and interferes with content, but the phones remains unusable. So guys, in other severe cases, the touch response fails and the entire display turns green. The phone is not even usable anymore. There is a good news though. If you have Apple Sport, the company is apparently replacing the display for free. Such hardware issues are typically covered under warranty. However, third-party services centers can easily refuse repair on countries without official Apple support. This is not an ideal solution. So iPhone have DFU mode, device firmware upgrade mode, which can restore devices from any state. If it's a software issue, you can easily solve it using this method. It's built into the hardware. Once you enter recovery mode, you can flash it with iTunes. The issues appear fairly widespread. It's in units across several countries, including carrier variants of the US Verizon, and it is not limited to a particular region. Posts also claim many people face the some problem with the flickering green screen on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. There is a potential issue with the display cable of select units thanks to poor quality control. Some other reports facing white dots in portrait orientation. Issues with the iPhone are not new. We previously covered flashing horizontal line for the iPhone 14 and green lines on the iPhone 13 series. Interestingly, some claim that the issues are happening after an update to iOS 16.6 or 17. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.